Morning, everybody. I'm Fabio Rossetto, product manager for video product of Ecler. One of the most important products that we present this year is the integration of our over IP extenders for key in our software, Ecler Net Manager. We offer to the installers the option of a control platform for audio and video, and this is the most important news for this year in our video catalog. We have also a new matrix. It's a simple 4x4 matrix with audio de-embedding for each output. It's controlled. We have more option of control, RS232, TCP/IP, and web interface. These are the most important news of this year. You can check our webpage at www.ecler.com.